Hands down, the best way to get players in a Roblox game is a YouTuber posting a video on it. This type of promotion is better than a Roblox ad, sponsor, or anything else that you can think of. Depending on the size of the YouTuber, this can change the course of your game's growth and blow it up. However, with the competition being so big, how do you stand out from the other thousands of Roblox games? In this video, I'll be showing you all the tips you need on how to get a YouTuber to make a video on your game. First off, if you want to get a YouTuber to plan, record, and edit a whole video on your game, you're gonna have to realize the reasons that they're making that video in the first place. YouTubers are looking for content and clicks. You need to meet the needs of the YouTuber, not the other way around. No YouTuber is looking to make a video just to promote your game. Know that they're making it for their content, and it just happens to be beneficial to you. Now, keeping this in mind will help you with the advice that I'm going to be giving you. You need to think like a YouTuber, and if you want them to make a video on your game, think about what content they can make in the game. Now, speaking of which, let's talk about your game. If you want a YouTuber to play your game, your best odds are if it's good quality. A YouTuber is far more likely to be interested in a high quality game with good lighting because it looks better on YouTube. And you're also going to want to make sure that the game has no bugs. These should just be basic requirements because your game, even if it has a YouTuber make a video on it, is not going to grow if it has bugs and isn't high enough quality. Now, you're also going to need some players in your game. This alone can get a YouTuber to make a video on your game, since YouTubers tend to follow trends and make videos where they see players. But I know most of you guys don't have those players yet, so don't worry. You won't need too many, but you are going to need some though, because a game without players isn't very great content. This is why I don't fully recommend banking on a YouTuber to blow up your game from the start. I would advertise your game and update it consistently to get you that quality and the players. Then once you have this, you can reach out to YouTubers. First, you're going to want to go to YouTube and search for the genre your game is in. You're going to want to find YouTubers within this genre for the higher chances they will make a video on it. You can go to recently uploaded to find YouTubers actively posting videos in your game genre. You can select last hour or day or week, just whichever one works best for you. I would look around in all of them, because when picking a YouTuber, I wouldn't be picky. I would reach out to as many as possible to give you higher chances. I would recommend you watch some of their videos first to get a feel on whether or not your game's the right fit and to help you in reaching out. Now, on the YouTuber's channel page, if you go to the About section, under Details, you can see a business email, as long as they have one set up, and this is where you can reach out. When sending emails, you're going to want to come off as professional and like you care about their content. Don't beg, use sympathy, because that will not work. Instead, for each YouTuber, I would write a custom email explaining why you believe they can make a great video on your game. The best way to get them interested is giving them content ideas. Lots of YouTubers struggle with this, and nobody knows your game as well as you, so you should be able to come up with some great ideas for videos that would fit their channel. I would also offer them a code to give to their viewers. This code should give them something cool in your game, maybe even something that has to do with their channel. Like, for example, if I was trying to get Flamingo, which you can't, he doesn't have a business email set up, to make a video on my game, maybe I could offer him a code that gives his fans a pet flamingo in my game. That's just a made up example. And in your email, you're also going to want to send them pictures of your game showcasing its quality. YouTubers get emails all of the time, and this is just a great way to stand out and show them that you're serious. And that's all the tips I have on sending emails. I think that they're a great way to reach out, and it can't hurt to just try. As long as you don't spam them, one email is fine. I wouldn't send any more than that. But yeah, emails are great. I think it's very important to just reach out and not be afraid to make connections on Roblox, because they're truly what gets you places. Always being friendly and making new developer friends, and you will learn and get great opportunities like having a YouTuber make a video on your game. Like I said, it is the best form of advertisement, something you should focus on a lot in terms of making your game fit to make videos on. But yeah, that's all. Thank you so much for watching, and if you learned something, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe, because I have lots of other videos with tons of information just like this one.